struggling with mundane transitions? Then this latest update on the Blurrr app is tailor-made for you. Blurrr introduces a fresh feature to its particle editor, empowering you to craft custom overlays effortlessly. Begin by opening your project and importing your layers. Blurr's particle editor boasts 3 primary functions: emitter, particle, and ENV, each offering a suite of settings for crafting the perfect particles. In the emitter tab, choose the particle count and attributes and refine their appearance through transform by adjusting scale, rotation, or positioning to your preference. Once you've fine-tuned the settings, let's move to the particle tab. Within the particle tab, navigate to style and pinpoint the white dot. From there, explore an extensive array of shapes, offering over hundreds of varieties. Then, unleash your creativity by customizing settings as you see fit, from size to rotation, granting you boundless freedom. Switch over to the ENV tab. Here, you'll find gravity, noise, and soon, wind or light. Tweak these settings to your liking, where gravity dictates particle movement up or down, just like in real life. And noise introduces a sense of fluidity, allowing particles to move more dynamically within the space. And you're done. Also, if you want to have a free 3-day trial, just click on the download link in the pinned comments, and then after opening the app, use my code to access all features. How? First, download the app. On the main page, click on the 3-line button on the left side. Find Redeem Code. Type in and click Redeem, and you're done. Download Blurrr now. It's very trendy and easy to use.